Okay guys, this is Keto Life 50 Plus. I am making keto bagels. And basically this is a keto low carb bagel recipe. And it's made with almond flour, a mozzarella cheese, cream cheese, baking powder, 2 eggs, and just rolling it up, putting it together like this, sitting it over here. I'm going to be using this seasoning to put on top. I'm going to do an egg wash after I get them all together. This should do like about at least 6. Yeah, it should. And what I did, I melted the mozzarella cheese and I melted the cream cheese together. It's a little sticky, but after a while it does incorporate and come together. And after you make like a little log, you put the 2 ends together. I think I might have a little bit more than 6. I grab the dough, roll it out like this, like a log. A little bit more. These are going to be some really big bagels. And after I roll that out, put the 2 ends together and place it on the baking sheet. And these should bake like for about 10-12 minutes, I think. I think that's what the recipe said. But I have my son holding the camera. And because I wanted just to get these together so you can see what I did to pull this, boom, together. I might just get 2 more out of here, maybe 1. Well, 1 big one. Yeah, I'll do that. Roll it like a log. I'm going to get a little egg wash, put it over the top. Yeah, that's what I'll do. And then I'm going to put the sesame seeds right over the top. Sorry, I won't have it in this video, the way I do the egg wash. Because at least the egg wash will make the seeds stick. These look yummy. Well, check me back out on my next video where they'll be done and they'll be finished. They'll be baked. Okay? Signing out.